In this video, you'll learn how to create epics in ClickUp so you can better organize large projects and high-level work. Epics are really helpful when you want to group related tasks and get a clear overview of bigger initiatives instead of juggling everything as separate, unconnected to-dos. Let's start from your main workspace in ClickUp. First, locate the space where you want to start using epics. This is usually the broader area that contains your folders, lists, and tasks for a specific team, client, or project category. Once you've found the right space, right-click on it. This will open a contextual menu with several options specific to that space. From this menu, look for the option called Task Types. The wording might appear as task types or something very close to that, depending on your current ClickUp setup and updates, but it will clearly relate to how tasks are categorized within the space. Go ahead and click on the Task Types menu to open its settings. Inside the Task Types menu, you'll see different types of tasks that you can enable or disable for that particular space. This is where you can turn on the epic task type, find epic in the list, and make sure the toggle next to it is switched on. When it's enabled, it usually changes color or slides to the on position, indicating that epics are now available for use in that space. If the epic option is already on, you're good to go. If it was off, turning it on here is crucial. Without this step, you won't see epic as a choice when creating new tasks. This setting is space specific, which means you can choose to use epics in some spaces and not in others, depending on how you like to organize your work. Once epics are enabled, you're ready to create your first one. Navigate to the list or folder where you want this epic to live. Then click the standard button to create a new task, usually labeled New Task or shown with a plus icon. Click on that to open the task creation window or modal. In the task creation modal, look toward the top left corner. You'll see the current task type selected, which might default to something like task, bug, or another type, depending on your configuration. Click on that task type label to open a drop-down of available types. Because you enabled it earlier, you should now see epic as one of the options in that list. Select epic from the drop-down. As soon as you do, this new item you're creating will be treated as an epic rather than a regular task. From here, you can give it a clear name, add a description, set assignees, due dates, and any other details that fit your workflow. You can also later link or group smaller tasks under this epic to keep everything related to a larger goal in one place. That's all you need to do. Right-click your space, open the Task Types menu, enable the epic task type, then create a new task and change its type to epic. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and natural part of your setup process, helping you manage complex work with much more clarity.